In this tutorial, I will show you that how can remove account restriction warning on Facebook. So let's dive right in. From your home page, you can open Facebook. So when your Facebook account is restricted, then you will get a notification about restrictions. You can open your notifications. Here it will show you account restriction warning. Now to solve this issue, open up your menu by just clicking this profile picture and open your profile. Here it will give you these three dots with edit profile. Click on that and open your profile status. So here you can see that if there are issues with your content or profile, you can find out what happened and how to fix them right here. Like it's showing introduction to community standards and many more information to fix your issues. Regarding account restriction warning on Facebook, if you don't find any solution here, click back and from this menu, click on this settings and privacy and open settings from here. Here it will give you this meta account center. You can open it and then you need to open this your information and permissions. Here it will give you this option of confirmation of your identity. You can open it. So here you might be asked to provide proof of your identity if you want to do things like run ads about social issues, elections or politics or the things that cause Facebook restrictions warning. This is to help Facebook to ensure that you are using the original profile, not trying to do spamming or scamming from fake profiles. You can simply confirm your identity from here to fix this account restriction warnings on Facebook. After confirming it, click back and here it will give you this option. And from this menu, you will find here help and support. You can open it and open report a problem. So here you can see that go back to where you saw an issue and shake your phone. This helps Facebook to find and fix the issue faster. You can shake your phone right when you see a problem. Click OK and open your notifications where Facebook is showing account restriction warning and simply shake your phone and then submit it. So these were the easiest solutions to remove account restriction warning on Facebook in just few easy steps.